Good morning, friends. We have here to discuss the basic electrical engineering subjects, and we are discussing on the second chapter, that is the AC fundamentals. In the last lecture, we are discussing or we are solving about the problems on that AC fundamentals. Before that, we have discussed about the RMS value, average value, form factor, peak factor, and now we are solving the problems on that. Okay, so let's take a problem. An alternating current is given by the expression I of t is equal to the 70.7 sin 314 t. And what we have to determine? First, we have to determine the maximum value of current, then the RMS value of current, then we have to determine the average value of current, then we have to find out the frequency, then the time period, form factor and the peak factor. In the earlier lecture, we have discussed how to solve the problems. So the first, write down what is given data, what is given. So what we have given here, the I is equal to the 70.7 sin 314 t. Compare this given expression with the standard expression, that is the I is equals to the Im sin omega t. Im sin omega t. Okay, where Im is the maximum value of current, omega is the angular frequency, and t is the time in seconds. Okay, so what we have to determine here? First, we have to determine the maximum value of current, RMS value of current, average value of current. So first we will determine the maximum value. So by comparing these two expressions, we have to get the direct value of the maximum current, that is by comparing 70.7 ampere. So we have get here the maximum value of current is the 70.7 ampere. Okay, now we have to find out the second, that is the RMS value of current. So the expression for RMS value of current is given by I RMS is equals to 0.707 into the maximum value of current. Okay, so 0.707. So what is the value of maximum value of current? That is the 70.7. So what will be the answer came? That is the 50 ampere. Okay, that is the 50 ampere. Okay, so after substituting the value of maximum value, here we have to get the maximum value of the RMS value of the current. Then next we have to find out the average value of current. So average value of current can be find out, that is the 0.637 into the maximum value of current. So 0.637 multiplied the maximum value, what is the 70.7 here. So what is the answer here? This is the, so you can calculate here, that is the 0.637 multiplied by 70.7. The answer will become, that is the average value. Okay, you can find out. What is the answer?
45.04.
So answer is the 45.04 ampere is the answer, that is the average value. Okay, that is the average value for the current. Okay, so the next, what we have to determine? First we have determined maximum value of current, second RMS value of current, third average value of current. Next we have to determine the frequency. Okay, to determine the frequency, we have compared the given expression with the standard expression, that is the value of omega t is equals to the 314 into t. So tt will get cancelled, omega is equals to the 314. Omega is nothing but the 2 pi f, that is 314. So f is equals to the 314 divided by 2 pi means 49.07 hertz. 49.07 hertz. This is the answer for the frequency. This is the answer for the frequency. Okay. Then next we have to determine the time period. Okay. Time period. So time period is defined as 1 upon frequency, reciprocal of frequency. So 1 upon 49.07 or that is the 0.02 second. What is the answer? 0.02 second. This is the time period. This is the time period. In the last, we have to determine the form factor and the peak factor. Okay. So, what is meant by the form factor? Form factor is the ratio of RMS value of an alternating quantity to the average value of an alternating quantity. So, what is the RMS value? That is the 70 point. RMS value, that is the 50 ampere upon average value. What is the average value? Is the 45.04 is equal to 1.11. This is the form factor. This is the form factor. And in the last we have to define the peak factor. So peak factor is defined as it is the ratio of maximum value to the average value. Maximum value to the average value. So what is the maximum value here? Maximum value is the 70.7 divided by what is the average value here? Average value is the 45.04. So answer is come 1.41. 1.41 is the value of peak factor. So once again we will see. First we have find out the value of the maximum value of the current, that is the 70.7 ampere by comparing with the standard expression. Later we have find out the value of RMS value. Okay, what is the formula for calculating RMS value? 0.707 multiplied by the maximum value. So answer is the 50. Then average value, formula for average value 0.637 multiplied by maximum value. We know that is the value of maximum value of the current. We have substituted in the equation. We have find out. Then for frequency we compare with the standard expression. So frequency is the 49.07 hertz. Then we have calculated the time period, that is 1 upon frequency. So 1 upon frequency, time period is the 0.02 seconds. Then for the form factor is the ratio of RMS value to the average value. Then the form factor is the 1.11. And then lastly we have calculated the peak factor, that is the maximum value upon average value, and peak factor is the 1.141. Okay, so this is the problems. You have given here the alternating current expression. So similar type problems asked in the MSBT examinations for the 4 marks. This is the very important problem. So if in difficulty, then you can ask. Okay, thank you.